to prevent tsunamis from doing as much damage. Tsunamis. What is a tsunami? A tsunami is a wave or series of waves that occur in a body of water when it is violently pushed by a force such as earthquakes, volcanoes, coastal or subterranean landslides, and even explosions of great magnitude can generate this phenomenon. Tsunamis are different to wind-propelled waves because, firstly, tsunamis are powered by earthquakes, volcanoes, etc., while the wind-propelled waves are driven by wind. Secondly, tsunamis' wavelengths are huge when they are compared to wind waves. The wavelengths of a tsunami are normally around 10 to 500 kilometers in between each crest, meaning that tsunamis have more energy, making them more destructive than wind-driven waves because of all the amount of force and mass they have to make matters. And to make matters worse, the period of each crest may vary up to 10 minutes to a whole hour. As a tsunami approaches into land, it reaches shallow water. The front of the wave slows down. The rear is still in slightly deeper water, so it's going slightly faster, and it catches up. The result is that the wave quickly punches up, and the wavelength becomes shorter, and the amplitude of the wave becomes higher. This is called shallowing. The formula for the increase of wave height where is shown here, where Hs is wave height on the shore and on the water shore, and where on the shore, and Hd is the wave height in deep sea. Capital Hs is the depth of the shore, and capital Hd is the depth of the sea. Therefore, a tsunami of the deep sea. Therefore, a tsunami with 1 meter in the deep sea, where the depth is 400 meters, would have a wave height of 4 to 5 meters in deep water. In a water depth of 10 meters. Dr. Usama Kera's theory. There are several alternatives options to minimize wave damage as tsunamis. Recently, researcher from Carthage University of Mathematics proposed that lives could be saved by using acoustic waves against tsunamis. Dr. Usama Kadri believed that if we can find a way to engineer these waves, they can be fired at an incoming tsunami and will react with a wave in such a way that it reduces its amplitude or height and causes its energy to dissipate over a large area. By the time the tsunami reaches the shoreline, the tsunami would minimize the Dr. Tsunami's Kitty theory said that the tsunami would minimize the damage to both civilians and the environment. The most realistic alternatives to avoid casualties in tsunamis. We use seismographs to detect when when an earthquake occurs, and we can measure the amplitude of the tsunami. Secondly, we use ocean buoys to provide detail of where the tsunami is hitting, and we can use satellites to send a message across. Will anything ever be able to stop tsunamis?